job batch and contract costing. Job batch and contract costing. Shall we start? Unit cost based on cost sheet. Job costing also based on cost sheet. By way of solving job cost sheet, I'll explain unit cost as well as job costing. Batch costing, such a simplest one. If at all you are going to purchase a raw material, per time how many quantity I have to buy, that is called, shall I repeat the question? If at all you are going to buy the raw material, per time how many quantity you have to purchase, that is called economic ordering quantity. If at all you are going to produce, per time, per batch, how many quantity you have to produce, that is called economic batch quantity. So we are going to compute economic batch quantity. Formula for EBQ, economic batch quantity, is equal to square root of 2AS divided by IC. A represent annual demand, S represent setting up cost, I interest portion, C carrying cost. Similar to EOQ only. We'll do one problem. Page number 29.
Annual demand for a component 5000, unit setup cost per batch rupees 75, annual rate of interest 15%, cost of production per unit rupees 80. Calculate economic batch quantity.
Find out. Write the formula. EBQ is equal to square root of 2AS divided by IC. So 2 into A will represent annual demand. How much the annual demand given in this question? 5000. Yes, setup cost. Unit setup cost per batch comes to setup cost per batch 75. Cost of production 80, out of which interest component comes to 15%. Therefore, EBQ is equal to 250. 250 rupees or 250 units? All of you. Or 250 units or 250 rupees or 250 batches? 250. We are in economic batch. Therefore, 250 batches is the worst answer. Because economic batch quantity, therefore 250 units per batch. Understood? 250 units per batch. Now, job costing. So EBQ similar to what? Economic ordering quantity one. Job costing, unit costings are similar to cost sheet. Don't sleep. Job costing and unit cost similar to cost sheet. We'll do one important problem and expected question for coming exam, job costing. By way of that, I'll explain cost sheet format also. Page number 30, question number 3. Job costing.
In an engineering company, the factory overheads are recovered on a fixed percentage basis on direct wages, and the administration overheads are absorbed on a fixed percentage basis on factory cost. The company has furnished the following data relevant to do jobs undertaken by it in a period. Required computation of percentage recovery rates of factory overheads and administrative overheads, calculation of the amount of factory overheads, administrative overheads and profit for each of two jobs. Using the above recovery rates, fix the selling price of the job 103. The additional data being direct material 24,000, direct wages 20,000, percentage of profit on selling price 12.5%.
Listen here. Such an interesting question. You have to prepare statement of job cost sheet. You have to prepare job cost sheet. Particulars, job number, job number 101 and job number 102. 101 and 102. Listen here, the break. One student asked, okay, any last minute shortcut to clear with a good mark? Last minute shortcut clear மட்டும் இல்ல good mark. Okay, அவன்கிட்ட சொல்லிட்டேன், சொல்ல போறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டேன், don't worry. Okay, அதனால கவலை with the permission. Foreign மாப்பிள்ள, you understood the case la மாதிரி ஹீரோவா தான் வேணும் போல. ஓகே, இந்த லாஸ்ட் மினிட்ல வந்தாலும் அவருக்கு always remember, yes, always remember there is no shortcut for success. Even whatever the last minute important question I gave, because each and every question is a unique one variety, you need some considerable time to spend. With the faculty, if you are going to spend 10 hours, mean without faculty minimum you need 20 hours. Accepting or not? Clear? அதே ஸ்பீட்ல போட முடியாது, ஸ்டக் ஆயிக்குவேன், will get the confusion, irritation. Clear? சேரை போட்டு உடைப்ப, என்ன அந்த பையனை சேரை போட்டு உடைச்சவன், ஓகே, கோவப்படுவேன், லிட்டில் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா எஃபோர்ட். பேர் என்னடா, பார்த்த என்ன நான் பார்த்தேன், நீ இப்ப நீ ஹச்சுன்னு தும்மினாலே கீழே போயிடுவே, நீ எப்படி பண்ணி நீயே சொல்லு, நீ கூட்டி பண்ணு, நீ பார்த்து சொல்ற. இந்த பேர் என்ன, ஆதேஷ். During just not criticize பண்ணல, just for will without knowingly will accept the pressure. Sir, ஒன்னு நமக்கு நடக்குதுன்னா அப்படியே ஒரு இரிட்டேஷன் வந்துடும். That time we don't know what we are doing. Okay, ஐஸ்வர்யா மாதிரி கத்த ஆரம்பிச்சு குப்பை தூக்கி பல்ல போட்டுருவோம். So we have to control yourself. Clear? Now நேத்தி ஒன்னும் இல்லடா, ஷண்முகன் சார் பேசி ஆஃப்டர் காட் இம்ப்ரெஸ் இந்த ஏதோ இதெல்லாம் சொல்ற போது சம்டைம் நான் பார்க்கணும்னு தோணும் ஃபேஸ. ஓகே, அவர் பேசி பரவாயில்ல, ஓகே, இருந்தாலும் பார்க்கணும்னு தோணும். என்ன பண்றது, விடு. ஆல் ஆர் லைக் கிஃப்டட், ஓகே, லீவ் இட். என்ன பண்ணிருக்கணும், பார்க்கணும்னு நினைச்சா இந்த பில்லர் நடுப்புல இருக்கு, மறைச்சுட்டு இருக்கு, என்ன பண்ணிருக்கணும், எக்ஸ்ட்ரா எஃபர்ட் போட்டு சேரை கொஞ்சம் இவ்வளவு தூரம் தள்ளினா தெரியுது, இங்க உள்ள சேரை இங்க வச்ச இடமும் இருக்கு. ஆஃப்டர் ஐ அரேஞ்ச் சார் யூ வாட்ச் வரான், பாத்தியா இல்லையா, இதுல பெரிய கம்போஸ் உன்னோட தூக்கி எடுத்து வச்சேன், உன்னை ஏந்திரிக்க சொல்லிட்டு சேரனை ஊத்தி உட்காடுறான், அவ்வளவுதான் பண்ணேன். என்ன தூக்கக்கூடிய உருவமா நீ யோசிச்சு பாரு, ஒன்னாலே உன்னை தூக்க முடியாது அந்த உருவத்துல. சேரை பின்னாடி தள்ளிட்டு உட்கார சொன்னேன், இப்ப தெரியுதா அந்த எஃப், பிகாஸ் ஐ எம் நாட், இது ஜஸ்ட் ஒன் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒன்றிட்டாங்கன்னா இன்க்ளூடிங் அப்ளிகபிள் ஃபார் மீ ஆல்சோ. அதான் பதறிய காரியம் சிதறிவிடும். If you are accepting the pressure, you won't get a solution. சின்ன நிறைய இது மாதிரி இருக்கு, சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் தான். ரொம்ப ஓவரா பாயில் எடுத்துனா ஒண்ணும் இல்ல, பில்லர் மறைக்கணும், கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி இருக்கணும், சேர் எடுத்து போட்டுருக்கணும், இடம் இருக்கு, கொஞ்சம் பின்னாடி வந்திருந்தா தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும், அவ்வளவுதான். பட் இஃப் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு அக்செப்ட், யோ நமக்கு தெரியல கடுப்பானா, இது நாட் ஒன்லி ஃபார் திஸ், சின்ன விஷயம், இது ஒரு பெரிய மேட்டர் கிடையாது. பட் ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் சைடு, டூரிங் த ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் டு கோயிங் டு இரிட்டேட் லைக் எனிதிங். கால்குலேட்டர் உடைக்கணும்னு தோணும், பேனாவை குத்தணும்னு தோணும். கிளியர்? இட் வில் கிரியேட் வாட், மைக்ரேன் வரும், That's all going to indirectly going to affect your health. Suddenly, one particular point of time, you're going to get some sort of pain. That one day, even the one day loss, the greatest loss. The gap in the small loss is not going to happen. Clear? It's not a big issue at all. Clear? But that's going to affect our health. அதனால day before, that is what, 1 month before exam ஒரு நாள் loss ஆகுது because of migraine, because of the tension. Clear? It is going to affect our health only. No, one day போனாலும் the greatest loss. இந்த 1 monthல 1 day ஒரு value உனக்கு தெரியும். Very difficult. So cool down yourself. என்ன ஆயிட போகுது? Control yourself. Even in my office during tax audit season, it's happened few years back only. Okay, intercomல கனெக்ட் பண்ணி கால் பண்ற போது அவன் நல்ல சூப்பர் கை. I used to give all the audit நல்லா பண்ணுவான். Call that to 11 o'clock, 11:30 at the night. We have to finish the work. நிறைய work. கால் பண்ணிட்டு சார் என்னது போன்ல 11 இல்ல சார், எப்படி சார் கால் பண்றது அப்படின்றான். 9411 வந்திருக்கு. ஓகே, 1111 வந்திருக்கு. 911 சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, போன்ல 11 இல்ல சார், எப்படி சார் கால் பண்றது அப்படின்னு உடைக்கிறான். அந்த அளவுக்கு போன்ல 1 போட்டா 11 வரும். இது பாதுகாத்து எப்படின்னு புரியல இந்த பொண்ணுக்கு. யோசிக்குது, அண்ணா கரெக்டா தான் சொல்லியிருக்காரு, சார் ஏன் கோவப்படுறாரு அப்படின்னு. 1-2 டைம் பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்கன்னா நீ 1 எப்படி பிரஸ் பண்ணிக்காத. ஓகே, போன்ல சொல்றேன், சார் தானே 1 பிரஸ் பண்ணுனாங்க அப்படின்னு. சோ மெனி ஃபன்னிங் திங் யூஸ் டு ஹேப்பன். நீ யோசிச்சு பார்த்தா நீயே நிறைய பண்ணிருக்க. அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்? நிறைய அதெல்லாம் நிறைய ஒரு எஸ்டிடி கலர்லாம் நிறைய தெரியும். சோ கூல் டவுன் ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் டைம் போது கூல் டவுன் யுவர் செல்ஃப். எவ்வளவு முடியுமோ you have to cool down. Don't accept that tension. That's why enough time I'm telling, after all you are going to write CA exam. அந்த ஸ்டேஜ்ல அது பெரிய பெயினா இருக்கும். இவன் எல்கேஜி படிக்கும்போது ஹோம்ஒர்க் வந்து பெரிய டாஸ்கா இருக்கும், எப்படா முடிக்கிறதுன்ட்டு. அப்ப வயிற்ற வலிக்கும், எழுந்திரிக்க முடியாது. அதுவும் மண்டே ஸ்கூல் போனா ஈனும். உலகமே அழிஞ்சு லீவ் விட்டாலும் பரவாயில்ல, எவன் செத்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல, லீவ் வந்தா பரவாயில்லன்னு தோணும். கிளியர்? என்னைக்கா எவனோ டெஸ்ட் வச்சா அந்த வாத்தியார் ஏதாவது ஆக்சன் ஆக மாட்டான், அந்த அளவுக்கு பயங்கரமான தாட்ஸ் தான் போகும். கிளியர்? அந்த அளவுக்கு நம்ம யோசிப்போம். பட் இஃப் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு see பார்த்தனா அது ஒரு ஃபன்னியா இருக்கும். சி ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல அப்படின்ட்டு. ரைட்? இந்த ஸ்டேஜ்ல யூ மே, எஸ், இந்த யுவர் ஸ்டேஜ் இஸ் த பிக் பிரஷர் ஒன்லி. பட் யூ ஷுட் நோ ஹவு டு கண்ட்ரோல் யுவர் செல்ஃப். மெனி occasion I used to go for schools. Nowadays I am not giving motivation not only for the colleges, including schools நம்ம கூப்பிட ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. The school, the reason, அதுக்கு ரீசன் இருக்கு. சும்மா just like that, they, in general they won't call school people and all, they don't need a professional to what conduct it. But you know the necessity now. Result போது என்ன நடக்குதுன்னு தெரியும். Clear? They forced to call due to various reasons. Clear? They are not having any tolerance at all. The younger generation, they don't have the tolerance. They are not ready to accept even small failure. அவ்வளவுதான் மண்டையில ஏற்றிக்கிறோம் ஃபுல்லா. என்னமோ அதான் லைஃப். Happily I can say, if I may suppose I'm a chartered accountant, all India level rank holder, happily I can announce, yes, after achieving something, now in the greatest position, நான் 10th fail ஆனதான்டா, காலேஜ்ல அரியர் வச்சோம்டான்னு பெருமையா சொல்லலாம். My failure is going to become, okay, example or what, proud moment or what, it's a motivation factor for others. Once if I'm going to achieve, so you have to convert that into what? Clear? Success factor. Understood? Applicable for everyone. But suppose I failed in 10th standard or college அதைய வச்சுனா அந்த டைம் பெயின்ஃபுல்லா தான் இருக்கும். எஸ், இதை என்னால மாத்த முடியும்னு காமிக்கும். Today if I'm going to first standard fail ஆன second standard, everybody what? பா அப்போட முடிச்சு. The moment you cleared a professional course, I'm not joking, நீ காலேஜஸ்ல எப்படி வேணா இருந்திருக்கலாம், ஸ்கூல்ல எவ்வளவு ஃபெயில் ஆனா இருக்கலாம், பட் த மூமெண்ட் இனிமே சின்சியர் ஆயிட்ட, எஸ் உனக்கு ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி, சடன்லி ஏதாவது ஒரு தாட் இன்க்ளூட போய்க்கும், இனிமே படிச்சு முடிக்கணும்டா, மை லைஃப் இஸ் மை ஹேண்ட் ஒன்லி, வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட் ஒரு தாட் வரும். ஈவன் இஃப் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு சிட் அண்ட் ப்ரிப்பேர் ஃப்ரம் டுடே, இஃப் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு பி a chartered accountant, everything vanish. Past, whatever all the mistake you have committed, everything vanish. Today nobody is going to ask my history, how I cleared or not, plus 2 ஒழுங்கா படிச்சேனா, ஸ்கூல்ல ரவுடியா இருந்தா யாருக்கும் தெரியாது. Now yes, or chartered accountant சொல்ல போறோம், right or not? Clear? Everything உன்னுடைய தவறெல்லாம் அழிக்கிறதுக்கு, எரைஸ் பண்றதுக்கு, எவாபரேட் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல சக்தி உங்ககிட்ட இருக்கு. The 2 letter you are going to add, எல்லாம் vanish ஆடும். Tomorrow even if you are going to sell, nobody will believe. சார் போய் சொல்லாங்க தருமா, இல்லப்பா நான் 12 டைம் ஃபெயில் ஆயினேன்னு சொன்னேன், சி போய் சொல்லாங்க தர போவோம், nobody believe also, right or not? Clear? That weapon is with you. That 2-letter magical word. I am not joking. Enna mistake irundhalum that you can be the portion to arise. So 3rd attempt, 4th attempt, 10th attempt, sir. Now if you are going to get 10 attempt experience irukku. Ipo olunga padikire. These are all the reason for fail and mudichite. Nalla tharava padichu. If you are going to get the rank, lifelong you are going to be a rank holder only. Nobody having guts to ask which attempt you failed, what cleared the water, you got the rank. 10th attempt sollanum avasiyam kuda kediyadu unakku. Rank holder enna venum nee enna glitch, even that person you can ask nee enna glitch nu kekkalam. Avan first attempt la pass pannirundhalum clear, you are superior, right or not? Openly I am telling you based on my experience. Many industry I have visited, many industries as a chartered accountant. There many places who is ruling the company, who is dominating, kaiyila yaar control vechirukkan paatha, not a rank holder, unfortunately. Very rarest case only. 2% of the rank holder only ruling. 100 பேர் ராங் இருந்தா 2 பேர் தான் ஷைன் ஆயிருக்கான். Others நல்லா படிக்கிறோம், மெரிட்டோரியல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட், ஸ்கூல் டாப்பர்ஸ் ஆர் clear, habituate to get the rank, sir. I got the rank, but I don't want to take any risk. படிக்கணும், பாஸ் பண்ணணும், that's all. They are not in the position to sustain in the company. Lifelong riskless job. They are earning money as an employee. But any chartered accountant, if you are going to see, whoever shined superbly having control, it may be the practice in chartered accountant, or you may be the CFO of the companies to control the drive of the company. They are all cleared in the subsequent attempt. I don't want to mention the attempt also, because they learned knowledge, experience is there. But I am having skill. I know how to drive. I know how to work. Lifelong, the skill only going to make you money. Skill only going to give the regard. The qualification, gold medals are yaru soru poda maatanga. So how many attempts you failed is purely immaterial. Clear? How many attempts? Every attempt is an experience. I am not asking you to fail. Pass panna romba nalladhu. That experience you can gain in the industry in the same time. Even otherwise, if you are having the skill, think it off. Today, if you can be in the position to sit morning to evening, morning 6:30 you came. Even night you are mentally prepared to sit 8:30 or 9 o'clock and forced to sit at least. But without expecting you are going to sit for the purpose of knowledge. Tomorrow if you are going to be a chartered accountant, I am going to pay lakhs of rupee. Happily will sit. Am I right or not? Yes sir, I want promotion. Yes sir, I am going to learn. Suddenly IFRS came. Okay, I want to learn, sir. I am having habits of sitting morning to evening. You won't feel the pain at all. You won't have much stress because already accepted all the stress. அப்ப IFRS ஒண்ணுதான் படிப்பேன். இப்ப எதை படிக்கிறதுன்னு தெரியாம வச்சிடணும். 8 பேப்பர் வச்சிருக்கோம். Am I right? That time happily you can learn. Am I right or not? If you are going to work, you will get appreciation also in the industry. That tolerance, no other profession having it. Touch wood, our chartered accountant profession only having it, because they are accepted all the pressure. Already we are accepting all the pressure. Directly or indirectly to help you for the purpose of career. Career is more important. சும்மா படிச்சேன் பாஸ் பண்ணேன், அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? லைஃப் லாங் என்ன சர்டிஃபிகேட் திரும்ப இன் ஜாப்ல nobody is going to conduct any test. டெஸ்ட் வச்சு பாஸ் பண்ணி ப்ரமோஷன் கொடுக்க மாட்டான். ரைட் ஆர் நாட்? அப்ப வந்து மக்கப் பண்ணி நான் பாஸ் பண்ணுவேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒர்க் பண்ண தெரியணும், ஸ்கில்ல வளர்த்துக்க தெரியணும். That skill undoubtedly our CA students are having much more. ஏதோ ஒரு விதத்தில் ஃபெயில் ஆகும். Try to identify. Yes, we need a license, then only get the job. அந்த லைசன்ஸ் வாங்க ட்ரை பண்ணு. You are having potential, skill எல்லாம் இருக்கு நமக்கு. I am a good driver, superbly will drive sir, but I don't have the license. I can't afford to take the car. I can't get any job opportunity. Am I right? Clear? License is equally important. Otherwise, you are going to drive only within the boundary. You can't afford to cross one particular place. Punishment will be there. So try to acquire the license. You are all potential person. There is no shortcut for success. My book is more than sufficient. That too, the last minute. The regular class I won't do like that. The regular class pattern is purely different. But over it maybe it is my responsibility to make you declare the exam. Last minute vandalum, I told you, even late night pora, village ku pora, edho saapadu kudutha rava upama kuduthuvanga. Clear? அந்த சமயத்துல உங்களுக்கு பசி ஆகணும், வேற வழி கிடையாது. அப்ப உட்காந்து தரவெல்லாம் கொடுக்க முடியாது. Clear? Regular class pattern is different. You know, many of them attend the regular class also. Every topic test இருக்கும். 28 class test you have to write. 28 class test. Material costing separately, labor costing separately, variable overhead separately, everything you have to write what? Separate. Theory separate, one more revision class will be there for 1 or 2 days. Even this time we do 2 days it seems. Theory class. Many of them join after attending the theory class one day. After that theory alone separate test. How many of attended the theory session alone came here? Right? Thereafter theory alone separate test for 50 mark. Ella theory படிக்கணும். Similarly, one more routine for thereafter what? Costing as a whole 100 mark paper. Costing full top to bottom. Similarly, again FM start on. FM topic wise test, theory alone separate test. Clear? Thereafter consolidated test. Thereafter costing and FM test. In that manner, we are going to conduct the class. That's the reason happily we are getting what? Majority of the students getting more than 80, not even 60, 70. More than 80 only used on notes. This is what our benchmark. It's purely because of how we are going to perform. That's why I told you, even the same class fail on our. If you are not ready to accept the test, if you are not ready to come and write the test, if you are not ready to just take the question paper, sir, எழுதிட்டு வரேன்னு ஏமாத்தினா அல்டிமேட் என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? உன் கை பிடிச்சி எழுதிக்க முடியாது. Understood? Clear? Our classroom discussion more than sufficient. Last minute preparation, whatever the questions I gave, at least you have to work it out from your end. Those questions and all, including the last few pages assignment question, practice manual question, everything we used to solve in the regular class itself. The regular class, the 2 months, including practice manual, all suggested answer, everything out to what? Adukku separate or 5 days after completing all the portion will be there. So that வெளில போகும்போது theory separately 2 days session. In addition to class theory, consolidated panel, theory alone 2 days session. So that they can refer past exam and get on. Clear? Then again and again you have to write the test also. Then all topics over another 4 days or 5 days class only for revision with respect to all practice manual past exam question. High voltage question. 2 days we did the class, no? Standard costing, marginal costing. Adu mari 5 time weightage. Into 2 times number of sums. Think it of எவ்வளோ லோடு கொடுப்போம். அதை slowly how to accept the pressure. உனக்கு உட்காந்து கேட்குற உனக்கு ப்ரெஷராக இருக்குன்னு think it of. கத்துற எனக்கு எவ்வளோ இருக்கும். How much pressure will be there? That's the reason we are producing above 80 என்றால் மார்க்கில். Clear? There is no shortcut for success. Just like that pass பண்ண முடியாது. நீ effort போட்டா guaranteed success. ஒன்றுல ஸ்கூலில் படித்த மாதிரி டெய்லி செல்ஃப் டிசிப்ளினாக படுறாங்க. நாளைக்கு கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்சிச்சு, அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ் காஸ்டிங் கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்சு திரும்ப தூங்கக்கூடாது. எஸ், கிளாஸ் இருந்தா எப்படி எந்திரிப்பியோ அதே மாதிரி யூ ஹேவ் டு வேக் அப் இன் தி மார்னிங். செல்ஃப் டிசிப்ளின்லி ஈவன் த டிராவலிங் டைம் யூ ஹேவ் டு சிட் அண்ட் ப்ரிப்பேர். பேக்கெட் சைஸ் புக் கொடுத்தாச்சு. ஹவு மெனி ஆஃப் யூ ரிவைஸ்ட்? ஹவு மெனி ஆஃப் யூ ஹேவிங் த ஹேபிட் ஆஃப் ரிவிஷன்? ரெகுலர் கிளாஸ் தெரியும், டெய்லி யூ ஹேவ் டு ஸ்லோகம் சொல்ற மாதிரி டெய்லி யூ ஹேவ் டு ரிவைஸ். ஈவன் த பேக்கெட் சைஸ் புக் செப்பரேட் டெஸ்ட் இருக்கு. அதுக்கு 2 டைம், ஒரு டைம் தப்பா எழுதி திரும்ப எழுதிருக்காங்க அந்த டைம். And every regular class student without seeing the packet size book, they can tell all the questions answer. Question they get answer எல்லா point 8 point 6 point 4 point. In that manner daily you are drilled like anything. This is the pattern of our regular class. Unless otherwise we are not going to justify, you can't afford to continue at all. You have to do the profession, you have to rock like anything. Understood or not? Clear? It is your duty, your responsibility. Then only you can be in the position to. Even this time, lot of effort from the student side, especially for the regular class. அவங்க வேணும்னு கேட்டு வாங்கிட்டாங்க. இது வேணும் சார், அந்த கொஸ்டின் அந்த கொஸ்டின். We are ready to spend extra time also. Extra full day class நிறைய எடுத்தோம். Or over the faculty, not over that class also we took extra. அது மாதிரி படிச்சாதான் பாஸ் பண்ண முடியும். There is no other shortcut for success. Put your effort, proper effort, guaranteed success. Whatever the questions I have given to you for the important question, அதை ஒரு டைம் ஒன்லி ஒரே ஒரு டைம் தான் கேட்குறேன். தரவா போட்டுப்பார். சார் சிட்டிங் அண்ட் டூயிங் டிஃபிகல்ட் சார், 2 of them join together work out. சேட் பண்ணாத. நம்மளுடைய சேட்டிங் நிறைய ஆயிடுச்சு. குச்சு குச்சுன்னு பேசிட்டு இருக்குது. இந்த டைமே கிடையாது நமக்கு. ப்ரொடக்டிவா யூ ஹேவ் டு மேக் யூஸ். கிளியர் சிட் 1% can read because தனியா படிக்க போரா இருக்கும். சால்வ் பண்ணு, ட்ரை பண்ணு, வெரிஃபை பண்ணு. So that easily you can identify the mistake also. Clear? Our classroom discussion plus important question more than sufficient. Mark my word, you will get 80 mark if you can able to solve all the practical question whatever I given to you plus all the theory question I given to you. இதை தாண்டி வராது உனக்கு. minimum 80 guarantee. ஆனா உனக்கு பார்க்காம போட தெரியணும். எக்ஸாம்ல பார்க்காம தான் போட்டோம். Clear? Even theory question, all the points should supposed to what deliver. அதுக்கு நீ பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிக்கோ. Packet size book ரிவைஸ் பண்ணி டைம் கிடைக்கும் போது தான் பண்ணிட்டு அவ்வளவுதான். Because in crash course I can't put again repeat பண்ணிட்டு இதுக்கு 15-20 நிமிஷம் practically not possible. Clear? All of you think it of final students are ready to accept and sit along with you. அதுக்கு hats off to final student. No sir, we want to guess what basic concept, standard costing, marginal costing, budgetary control. I asked whether I can go for final level problem or right from basic to final. They accepted basic. That's the reason extended class. Morning class which extend of morning உங்களுக்கு class இருக்கு. In addition to that, yes sir, I want to learn extra. Okay, all the variants எனக்கு மறந்து போச்சு படிக்கணும். I learned in different fashion. நான் standard costing தொடல சார். Everybody learn. Now we are having what? இன்னும் standard costing உங்களுக்கு முடியல போயிட்டு இருக்கு. அப்ப எவ்வளவு லோட் இருக்குன்னு பாத்துக்கோ. எல்லாம் all high voltage problem. If I'm going to take high voltage problem directly crash course na என்னென்ன வேரியன்ஸ் என்னன்னு தெரியாது, how to compute தெரியாது, formula they may not know. Clear? They can't the person understand also. Think it of. They are ready to accept and what sit along with you for 2 full days. Yes, if you are going to learn, why not you? That's logic or not? Clear? Nobody will put this much effort for the student. Nobody, no academy is having this much individual attention. Understood? Somebody is ready to put extra effort for your benefit, at least for your parents' sake. You have to clear. Again and again repeating the same story only. Enakka pass pannavan. Clear? Your parents are waiting for you. Understood? It's the one and only happiest moment they are expecting from your end. Where edhum onde edirpaakala. Clear? Revise properly so that guaranteed pass. Now, 2 different jobs are there. Job 101 and 102. For that, based on job 101 or 102, we have to quote the price for 103. Am I right? Shall we start, sir? Now, listen here, sir. With respect to job 101, direct material cost is how much? 50? 102? 30? Direct wages? 40 edagana? 42,000? 30,000. Therefore, direct material plus direct wages is called prime cost. How much the prime cost kanna? 96,000, 67,500. Add factory or production overhead. Any info for factory or production overhead? Check it up, check it up, check it up. Some percentage on, enna percent kudukala? Some percentage on direct wages. Let the X percentage on direct wages. Direct wages la X percent சொல்லிருக்கான். Therefore, X into direct wages how much? 42,000 comes to 42,000 X. Here 30,000 X. Are you with me or not? So, prime cost plus factor is equal to factory cost also called works cost. Compute how much the total factory cost? Ada எரும மாடு 96,000 plus 42,000 X. It shows your level of concentration. 67,500 plus 30,000 X. Add administrative overhead. Any info for administration overhead? What percentage? Some percentage, fixed percentage. Let Y percentage on factory cost. So how much kanna? 96,000 into Y, 42,000 X Y. 67,500 Y, 30,000 X Y. Enu purinjadana? Good. Total is equal to cost of production. How much the cost of production? 96,000 plus 42,000 X plus 96,000 Y plus 42,000 X Y. Here 67,500 plus 30,000 X plus 67,500 Y plus 30,000 X Y. Understood? Add profit is equal to what? Job value. Am I right? Add profit is equal to job value. Sale value nothing but here job value. Don't say. How much the job value for 101? Job value, sale value 1,66,650. Here 1 lakh 28,250. Now, how much the profit they want? 10% on our cost 100 now. Our total cost 100 means profit 10. Therefore, job value 90% is not the correct. 110% because cost plus profit is equal to job value. Whereas after job number 102, how much percentage? 20% na? 20% on what? Again cost? Cost 100 means this is 120%. Now we can compute no? How much can 10% is how much? 100% is how much? Which one? Profit 15,150. Therefore total cost 1,51,500. Here similarly 20% computation, compute. 21,375. 1 lakh 106,875. How many of you understood this? It's a job cost sheet format only. Able to follow or not? Clear? Now, shall we go to the next one? Listen here. 96,000 plus 42,000 x plus 96,000 y plus 42,000 xy is equal to 1,51,500. Able to follow or not? 1,51,500. Similarly, 67,500 plus 30,000 x plus 67,500 y plus 30,000 xy is equal to 106,875. Now, further simplification, sir. No, 42,000 x plus 96,000 y plus 42,000 xy is equal to 1,51,500 minus 96,000. Right? Comes to 55,500. Similarly, 30,000 x plus 67,500 y plus 30,000 xy is equal to 39,375. Got it? Up to this stage comfortable? Now, the first equation I am going to multiply with 30 by 42. 42,000 into 30 by 42 40 to 40 get cancelled. Remember appreciate or not? Median mode ஒன்னும் பண்ண வேண்டாம் நம்ம ஈஸியா போடலாம். Okay? So 30,000 x. Are you using or not? 42,000 into 30 divided by 42. 96,000 into 30 divided by 42 comes to how much? 68,571 y. 30,000 xy is equal to 55. On video post 39,640. Understood? Now, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. xy get cancelled. Understood? Easy or not? Therefore, remaining thing 67,500 minus 68,500 minus 1,071 y is equal to minus 268. Therefore, y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 0.25. Y represent what? Which expenses? Administrative. So, administrative overhead is equal to how much? 25% on what cost? Factory cost or works cost. Understood or not? How many of you understood? Clear? Now, Rajshekhar, what's the name of next girl? Next to Rajshekhar. What's the name of? Deepa, tell me. How much are administration expenses? Get up. என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கமாங்க? Physically present, mentally absent. படிக்க தானே வந்திருக்கேன். You are from? Too bad. படிக்கணும்னு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டோட வா கிளாஸுக்கு. Got it? So, any doubt in administrative overhead? Now, you can apply that percentage to compute X also no. Possible? Easy or not? All of you? இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியல் இருக்கு. இதை 3 நாள் போட்ட பசங்களாம் இருக்கானுவ. காப்பி. X தெரியல, Y தெரியல. குயிக். Job cost sheet for job number 103. Am I right? Have to prepare cost sheet for 103. Particulars, amount in rupees. Direct material for 103, 24,000. Direct wages, 20,000. Prime cost, 44,000. Add factory overhead at the rate of what percentage? 60% on direct. எல்லா எக்ஸாம்பிள் 44ல 50% போட்டு 20% போட்டோம். 60% on direct wages, not on prime cost. So 20,000 into 60% is equal to 12,000. Therefore, factory cost or works cost comes to 56,000. Good. Add administrative overhead at the rate of 20% on factory cost comes to 14,000. Therefore, total cost of production 70,000. Add profit is equal to job value. How much the profit? 12.5% on what? Selling price. Selling price and 12.5. Therefore, cost 87.5. எல்லாம் மாத்தி போட்டோம் அதிகம் எக்ஸாம்ல. Swaha. Got 80,000. Puja playing. Fast. Boban, next. Okay. Contract costing. Offer plus acceptance is equal to, offer plus acceptance is called agreement. Swaha. Offer பண்ணி accept பண்ணா நீ agree பண்ணிட்டேன்னு அர்த்தம். Okay. Offer plus acceptance is equal to agreement. Agreement which is enforceable law. Like time இருக்கு. That is called contract. If at all you want contract, we need 2 persons involved in the contract. Contractor and the contractee. Who is the contractor? Who is the contractee? Contractor is a person who is going to execute the work. Contractee is a person who is going to give the work. Contractee is the owner of the property. Contractor going to execute the work to build the house property or what? Assigned. Clear? Now, Whenever you come across contract costing, the speciality of the contract costing is how to recognize the revenue. Revenue recognition part is a vital one. For that, we are having rules for recognition of profit on incompleted contract. Rules for recognition of profit on incompleted contract. How to recognize a profit in case of contract costing? Depending upon percentage of completion of the work, we have to recognize the profit. Profit to be recognized in the P&L account. How much the profit you have to transfer to P&L account. That is called rules for recognition of profit on incompleted contract. Depending upon percentage of completion, we have to recognize the revenue. If the percentage of completion of the contract is up to 25%, then how much the profit you have to recognize? Many. You should not recognize any profit. The percentage of completion of the contract is between 25 to 50%. Then we have to recognize 1/3 of the notional profit into cash received by work certified. If the degree of completion is equal to 50 to 90%, 2/3 of the notional profit into cash received by work certified. If the degree of completion, if the degree of completion is more than 90 but less than 100%, okay, less than 100%, then we have to go by way of ETP, estimated total profit method. Substantial completion stage. This is called one substantial completion stage. The circumstance that we use ETP. So the percentage of completion is a criteria for our purpose of valuing the contract. Profit to be recognized in the contract. Formula for percentage. Formula for percentage of completion is equal to value of work certified by contract price into 100. What is the formula for percentage of completion? So this time, how we have to solve contract costing? What is the concept by way of solving one problem? Okay. Go to problem number. Problem number 4. The rules already there in the packet Facebook. You can refer. Will complete. Okay. Go to 4th problem.
B and company incurred the following on a contract still unfinished on 31st December. Contract value is rupees 3 lakhs. Materials rupees 80,000. Wages 70,000. Direct charges 50,000. Rupees 2 lakhs was received from the contractee, being 80% of the work certified. Find out the profit to be credited to P&L account if the cost of work still incurred is rupees 10,000. Still answered.
Okay. We have to prepare contract account similar to normal processor or similar to P&L account. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount, debit, credit, to, by, rupees. Now, debit side all expenses. What are the first expenses? Direct material. How much direct material? 80,000. Direct wages. Next one. Direct charges. 50,000. Debit side all expenses over. Credit side, unlike P&L account, sales won't come because you are in contract. Therefore, here work certified and work uncertified will come. Work uncertified given this question comes to 10,000. Work certified not that, but cash received given this question. How much cash is it? Cash received 2 lakhs being 80% on work certified. Work certified work certified, out of work certified, they paid 80% is equal to cash. So 80% is equal to 2 lakh means work certified 100% is how much? Are you with me or not? So 2,50,000. Are you with me? Hello? Therefore, total comes to 2,60,000. Also 2,60,000. Balance profit is equal to 60,000. The profit is called notional profit. Now, by notional profit carried on, right? Brought out. How much? 60,000. We can't enjoy entire notional profits as it is. Out of which, how much the profit to be recognized in the P&L account and how much you have to transfer to reserve account you have to compute. For that purpose, we have to go for our formula. Up to this stage, any doubt in posting? Profit instead of going to be called net profit, is going to be called notional profit. Why it is going to be called notional profit? Because contract is not completed. Clear? Full completed net profit. Therefore, you can't enjoy the benefit of entire profit. Partly you can recognize, partly you have to transfer to reserve account based on the formula. What is the formula? Depending upon degree of completion, you have to recognize. What is the formula for degree of completion? Value of work certificate by contract price is the number. Therefore, percentage of completion is equal to value of work certified by contract price. How much the work certified? 2 lakh. Whereas contract price into 83.33%. In case of 83.33%, how much I got to recognize? 2/3. Therefore, profit to be recognized in the P&L account is equal to 2/3 of notional profit into cash received by work certified. Or if you are not, therefore 2/3. Okay, 2/3 into notional profit 60,000 into cash received 2 lakh by work certified 2,50,000 is equal to profit to be recognized. Balance you have transferred reserve and comes to easier on 4 marks. Okay, next. Now, I would like to explain. Now I would like to explain the concept behind contract costing. Shall I? All of you completed? Good. Listen here. I have full attention to learn the terminology as well as what the concept. Please stop talking. Listen. Okay. Assume I'm a contractor. I'm going to construct house property for you. You are going to be called contractee. Suppose I'm going to construct a house property. Nishanti, how much worth of house property you want? You only. அவ சொல்லட்டா அவளுக்கு நீ ஏண்டா நீ சொல்ற நிஷாந்தி நீ சொல்லுமா 1 crore matching very good. How much குட்டி பண்ண நீ சொல்ற என்ன சீக்கிரம் சொல்லு 2 crores. நீ எழுந்து மேடல் நில்லு அடி உன் சைஸ பார்த்தாங்க 2 crores 2 crores எவ்வளவு ஜீரோ சொல்லு 2 crores கரன்சி கொடுத்து தூக்க கூட முடியாது உன்னால how much worth of property நிஷாந்தி அனகா இந்த கவனிக்கா how much worth of property 1 crore 3 crores ஆமா உனக்கு எல்லாமே சின்ன அமௌண்ட் தான் 1 crore 1.48 50 lakhs இல்ல 3 crores மாதிரி சின்னதா விடுறாரு உனக்கு என்ன நமக்கு ஊரெல்லாம் விடு ரியல் எஸ்டேட் அதுக்கு சொன்ன நீ வேறடா தெருவுக்கு தெருவு ஊருக்கு ஊரு வீடு இருந்தா ஒண்ணு ரியல் எஸ்டேட் அப்படின்னு பொலிட்டீஷியன் now listen here assume I am going to construct house property value of the house property worth of the house property 300 lakhs sufficient or 3 crores only want ரெண்டு ஒண்ணுதான்டா பரவாயில்ல நான் 300 lakhs worth of house property if I am going to construct house property worth of 300 lakhs you won't give sir contractor sir take 300 lakhs okay construct house property okay so நான் போய்டுவேன் அவ்வளவுதான் so nobody will give the money in the first stroke itself depending upon the completion they are going to release the money that is called progress payment what is that called progress payment assume as on 31st March one particular day okay I have completed 260 lakhs worth of property how much worth of property 260 lakhs balance the next period I will do now I am coming and asking Karthik I have completed 260 lakhs worth of property so why don't you give the money now because beginning stage you won't give the money now you can give 260 lakhs or not yes or no yes or no no you won't pay because who has to decide the 260 lakhs worth completed or not contractor or contractee contract ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு contractor or contractee contractee substantially correct what T or terra T okay why not terra contractor I might have completed only 30% but I need money okay I may ask what 80% over chance irka illaya I may have the biased opinion I may going to cheat also because I need money therefore who has decided contractor or contractee neither contractor nor contractee as a contractee you don't have any knowledge at all yes or no you don't have any knowledge yes or no now yes or no ma no adan solren illa enna solran okay now after at the time of completion of the going to contract is going on after entering the property you are seeing 40% completed 50 is it possible to identify clear namakku and buddhi kediyadu so contractor having knowledge but he may not in the position to tell he may going to tell the biased opinion பவனா பிலீவ் பண்ண முடியாது கான்ட்ராக்டிங் நாட் இந்த பொசிஷன் ஈவன் யூ அண்ட் மீ வீடு கட்டிட்டு இருக்கோம்னா எவ்வளவு டிகிரி கம்ப்ளீட் சொல்ல முடியாது நம்மளால கிளியர் therefore we need third party to verify and certify is called certified value engineer architect certified value கொடுக்கணும் for individual house property இது தேவை கிடையாது but in case of government related contract metro rail project by L&T sir complete பண்ணிட்டேன் government பணம் ஒன்னும் கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க government won't pay the money just like that so somebody has to certify this is a degree of completion all of you so the third party who has to give professional has to give certified value engineer has to give the degree of completion that certified value engineer is going to verify the contract agreement he has to read has to go and verify the site whether construction is going properly or not அவனுக்கு நிறைய soil testல எல்லா டெஸ்ட் எடுத்து பார்த்து everything okay as per rules and regulation as per the what offer and acceptance agreement படி போதான்னு பார்ப்போம் after verifying the same he said no out of 260 lakhs because whatever I consider everything cannot be the person to accept right 250 lakhs only as per the agreement 10 lakhs is not as per the agreement chance irukka illaya all of you even if you are going to verify clear during the house property construction பண்ணிருக்கும்போது no the window supposed to be there in this side or as per the was the kitchen supposed to be there small modification பண்ணுவோம் right therefore exactly all 100% we may not the person to accept also Therefore, substantially they are accepting, but few percentage is not as per the agreement. Chance irukka illaya? Okay. Now, how much I have certified work irukku evlo irukku? 250 lakhs satisfied. Now I am coming and asking. I am having certificate Karthi. Satisfactory work I have completed 250 lakhs. Give money. Based on the certificate you can issue or not? Even then you may not issue full money. Why? If you are going to get the full money, you may not have the control over on me. Suppose AC repair kutrukku. Clear? Substantially all the work over. Clear? He is charging, assume 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees kekran vechuko. Morning to evening did the work. And end of the day, tomorrow morning I will come and do 5 minutes work pending, sir. The switch konjam maatha vendirukku. Clear? After all 5 to 10 minutes work only. All the work over, the connection only I have to give. Tomorrow I will go to finish the work, sir. So substantially finished. Therefore, out of 10,000, I will pay 9,500. I won't pay. If at all mean, I'll pay 1,000 rupees. Tomorrow finish and take full money. Am I right? Then only I'll have the control over the person. Otherwise, he may not going to come. My work may not going to gain. Am I right? Or substantial money will withhold. Similarly, you won't pay the full money, even though work has been completed. Anyway, I am going to give after completion of the entire work, so that I'll have the proper control. Therefore, out of 250 lakhs, assume you are paying 200 lakhs kudukra. 50 lakhs meedi pay pannu, meedi finish pannittu vaango sir. Then only you will have the control over the person. Am I right or not? Have you understood the chart? How many have understood the story first? Comfortable? Now, the 300 lakhs is called contract value. Out of which till date I have completed 260. Out of which how much satisfactory manner I have completed? That is called work certified. Balance not satisfactory, work uncertified. Out of work uncertified, you paid cash received 200. Balance my cash you are retaining. That's why retention money is equal to 50 lakhs. Understand the not? Same sum I have converted into lakhs. That's all. Same amount. So that you can understand. Credit side, work certified, 250, 2,50,000. Work uncertified. Clear? Everything is there. Are you with me or not? Comfortable? Clear? Now, in general, student used to commit the mistake. What are all the commonly committed mistake in this area? Now understood what is called work certified, work uncertified, and the cash received. The commonly committed mistake in this contract costing is, the moment they are going to read, here only 3 expenses, right? The next problem we are going to see more 10 to 15 expenses. They are going to what? Give more expenses, material, labor, overhead, plant, depreciation, clear? All expenses you have to debit, that's all. Clear? Like P&L account they can give. Now, what the mistake they used to commit? No, most of the IPS students used to commit the mistake. Almost 40% of the students. Because they are not concentrating properly. Commonly committed mistake, you have to have separately, you have to have the working. In general, we used to dictate what in the class itself, in the regular class, what are all the commonly committed mistakes. So that you have to avoid. Oversight la marandruvom adalla. What are all the commonly committed here? What is the commonly committed mistake? Cash received. Income or expense? Income, there is no doubt. Debit side or credit side? Immediately, cash received the 2 lakhs. Cash received will not form part of contract account. Wait, clear? Cash received will not form part of contract account. Because out of work certified only you are paying cash received. The work certified inclusive of the cash received. Or able to appreciate the logic or not? Even next question if you are going to see, very next question, 5th question, work certified how much? 165. Am I right? Cash received available. Payment received 150. எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? இப்போ நிறைய இருக்கும்போது 150 கிரெடிட் பண்ணுவோம் கான்ட்ராக்ட் அக்கௌண்ட். இட்ஸ் ராங். அது தெரிஞ்சாலே உனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு என்ன, இவனுக்கு பசனுக்கு கான்செப்ட் தெரியலன்ட்டு. கிளியர்? ஆர் அதர் வே டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், ஒர்க் சர்டிஃபைட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு டோட்டல் சேல்ஸ் சார். Total sales consist of cash sales and credit sales. Understood? That are cash sale வந்து தனியா போடியா into cash receipt போட முடியுமோ? The sales inclusive of the cash receipt. Out of sales only we receive the cash. Therefore you can't part separately for cash receipt. Accepting or not? Don't forget. சின்ன விஷயம் தான். அதனால notional profit மாறும் எல்லாம். Even though you remember all the formula, utter wasted. Clear? So cash receipt will not form part of. That's why you have to bring always red color pen. Where and all ஒன்னு நம்ம தப்பு பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிச்சுப்போம். இன்னொன்னு where and all I'm going to highlight. You have to highlight பண்ணிட்டே வரணும் ப்ராப்ளம்ல. So that you should not commit the mistake again. And one more thing, wait. One more thing. Idu purinjudha kanna? Next. Few students used to, in the regular class line, because that time, first time kekkumbodhu, sir, work certified credit mean work uncertified debit no. Logically sound nalla irukkum mari irukum. Work certified credit no, work uncertified not correct. Abnormal loss, normal loss enga porom? Ore side la porom. Clear? Na உன் அளவுக்கு நான் சொன்னா புரியும் உனக்கு. What is the logic behind work certified, sir? Work uncertified, sir. Work uncertified, I have completed my work, but you are not satisfied. It is similar to, equal to closing stock of WIP. Appa closing stock anga varanum? Credit side la varanum. Accepting or not? Now if you are going to see the beauty of the next problem, start with the work certificate irukku 10 lakhs. Am I right or not? Next question par. Start with how much? 10 lakhs. Where I have to par? Debit side or credit side? Debit side. Closing stock of previous year going to become opening stock of the next year. Opening work certified irukku. Opening work uncertified is there. So you have to be meticulously, you have to watch. Appa stock na stock la treatment dane. Clear? Why it is called stock? I have completed, you are not satisfied, therefore it's the WAP stage only. If you accept it only fully finished product. If it is WAP means stock. Stock means inventory. Inventory in a closing stock. It should be then the credit side. Then closing stock of the previous year going to become opening stock of the next year. Same logic for opening the work uncertified. Are you with me or not? That's why work uncertified at cost la poduvom, work certified at sale value. That's logic or not? Sales revenue. Therefore sale value. Work uncertified, you have to compute always, because cost or NRV, whichever is less, the same concept, sir. Clear? Because it's a stock, we have to value it at the cost. So work uncertified always we have to value it at what? Cost, at the cost. Whereas work certified at the sales revenue. So because what? Even if you are going to see the chart, 300 lakhs contract value sales revenue, no? Adala part of the sales revenue I got it. Am I right or not? All of you with me. Therefore, it's similar to what? Sales revenue. Portion of the sales revenue I'm getting well in advance, because work fully completed, I can get full value. Are you with me? All are comfortable? Now, after debit and credit over, we are getting profit is called notional profit. Why is our notional profit? Generally, it is going to be called net profit. No. Yes, it's supposed to be net profit, but work is not fully completed. Therefore, it's called what? Notional profit. Then, if it is called notional profit, as a contractor, my income, my bojan, my family depending on my profit one. Appa the notional profit solitelna, I can't afford to touch the profit. Net profit, yes, I earned the profit out of this academy, I can earn. No, notional profit I can't touch. Am I right or not? Because why it is called notional profit? It's not fully completed. I am conducting the class. I got the profit. Okay, while preparing P&L account, I am getting the profit. Is it possible for to touch? No. Complete pannunga, sir. Something has happened in near future. Clear? It's a liability. It's not a what? Income for me. Am I right or not? Till I am going to complete the session, it's a liability only. I don't have the right to touch. That's logic or not? Once if we completed, after 14th hour, yes, income minus expenses profit is equal to income for me, revenue for me. Till that time, it's called what? Liability only. Are you able to appreciate? Commerce student is supposed to know. Am I right or not? So, but just because you paid money, everything is not, may not be my income. In the circumstance, here contract I have not completed, therefore it's called notional profit. That is okay, sir. In the class 14 days wait panna mudiyum. Any business 1 month, 2 months I can wait. Contract 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, that to crores of rupees I have to invest. Where can I go for bojan? My income based on the contract, no sir. Are you able to appreciate that? Then how can I manage my family, my business or my income without having profit? Don't worry. For that, we have to go by way of rules for recognition of profit on incompleted contract. Depending upon the percentage of completion, partly you can recognize as a profit, balance you should not touch. So the entire notional profit you can't portion to enjoy, out of which part of the notional profit you can enjoy. How much the parts are? Further you have to apply the formula. The degree of completion since 83.33%, you can enjoy only 32,000. So 32,000 only you can enjoy. Balance in reality rupees in lakhs irukum. 32 lakhs you can enjoy, or crores you can enjoy. Balance 28 lakhs or 28 crores you should not touch. Sir, profit irukku sir in a contract is not completed, no. Therefore, future is always uncertain. Transfer to next period. Reserves and surplus. After completing the contract, who is going to enjoy the current year profit as well as reserve? Today you should not enjoy. You are going to postpone the enjoyment, that's all. Contract முடிக்கிற வரைக்கும் வெயிட் பண்ண என்ன அவசரம்? Because tomorrow, next financial year I am going to complete. During the construction something has collapsed. Who is responsible? Or ஒரு லேபர் கீழே விழுந்துட்டான். Then I am responsible. Am I right? Then I need money for compensation and all. Then where can I go for money if I am going to utilize everything? Therefore, part of the money, 32 lakhs you can enjoy. Balance you have to transfer to reserve account. Are you able to appreciate that, Karna? All of you? Sir, sir, part of the money I can enjoy. If I am going to take part of the money, then 2/3 of the notional profit, 1/3 of the notional profit is sufficient, no? Notional profit full எடுக்கப்படாது. 2/3, 1/3 வச்சுக்கலாம். Again, one more condition, cash issued to be work certificates are. Next logic for the same. Are you able to appreciate the logic or not? 2/3, 1/3 வச்சுக்கலாம் இல்லையா ரூல்ஸ் படி இருந்தா. ஃபுல்லா எடுக்க கூடாதுன்றீங்க. பார்ட்லி எடுக்க வேண்டாம். 2/3 is still partly only, no? Then, if I am going to put 2/3 of 60,000, how much will I get? 2/3 on 60,000, 40,000 enjoy பண்ணணும். So, I can enjoy 40,000 வந்து இருக்கும். Am I right? Suppose I can enjoy 40,000 இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோ. கேஷ் இன்னும் கொடுக்கல, ஜீரோ தான் கேஷ் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. கான்ட்ராக்ட் இன்னும் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணல. அப்ப 40,000 என் அக்கௌண்ட் படி வந்துடும். Without having real cash, book profit 40 இருக்கும். Out of capital I am going to take, winding up going to liquidation sale. அப்ப you are eligible to get 40,000, but originally you are eligible to get 2,50,000, out of which you are getting only 2 lakhs. அப்ப 2,50,000 க்கு eligible இருந்தாலும் 2 லட்சம் தான் என்ஜாய் பண்ற முடியுது. அப்ப 40,000 you are eligible, proportionately you are going to accrue, because contractee, that is what, contractee is not given the full money. அதே மாதிரி proportionally இஞ்சியும் குறைக்கிறோம். Contractee not at all given the money. அப்புறம் தான் கவர்மெண்ட் கான்ட்ராக்டர் இருக்கு, நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த் தான் வரும்ட்டான். அப்ப ஜீரோ. அப்ப 40,000 0 divided by 250, 40 ஜீரோ தான் வரும். I can't enjoy because மணியே எங்க என்ஜாய் பண்றது? புக்ல ப்ராஃபிட் இருக்கு, but I don't have real cash. That's the reason work certified by contract value or cash issued by work certified. Further we are downsizing the notional profit income. That amount only we have to recognize in the P&L account. How many of you understood? Are you able to appreciate that or not? Therefore, balance money we have to transfer to reserve. Next year, assume I am completing full contract. Next year profit and reserve of 28, everything I am going to enjoy. Therefore, future is always uncertain. You should not enjoy the profit today. You are going to postpone your enjoyment. Once if you achieve the target, you can be the person to enjoy fully. All the accumulated profit you can enjoy. That is called contract costing, sir. Clear? So, sometime numerology plays a vital role. CA. Okay? Always uncertain. Future is always uncertain. You are postponing the enjoyment. Once if you complete the target, you can enjoy a lot. All enjoyment cumulatively you can enjoy. Clear? Contract costing. But Sharvana. Understood? Note it down. Concept note panichu. Next. Please stop talking. Problem number 6, post exam question.
Compute a conservative estimate of profit on contract, 80% complete from the following particulars. Illustrate 4 methods of computing profit. Total expenditure to date 1,70,000. Estimated further expenditure to complete the contract, including contingencies 34,000. Contract price 3,06,000. Work certified. Cash received 1,63,200, and whole amount is 2 lakhs. Work not certified is 17,000. What is the amount of loss to be provided for if the total expenditure till date were 2,26,000 and the estimated further expenditure is 1,40,000? All other data in part A remains unchanged.
Now, shall I start? Statement of computation of profit. Listen here. Particulars. till date, estimation and total. Income minus expenses is equal to profit or loss. Read line by line. What are the first info? Total expenses, till date expenses. In the column, 1 lakh. Next, how much? 34,000. Total. If I am going to complete the contract value is equal to income for me. Am I right? How much the contract value gonna? 306,000. Can you please tell me what is the till date? What income for the till date? Correct? Find out till days. Very good. 1,63,000. Got it? 63,200. Please slap yourself nicely. Nothing wrong with that. Slap yourself first. What is 1,63,200? What is that called? Cash received will not form part. இப்பதான் சொல்லி முடிச்சேன். மண்டேல understood or not? Clear? It's a commonly committed mistake. Careful இருக்கணும். So till date income how much? All of you. How much? 2 lakhs is the worst answer. Again slap yourself. In contract account income என்ன இருக்கு? Work certified and work uncertified. இது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமானதா? Instead of P&L account format, okay, line by line I wrote. Because only one expenses. இதெல்லாம் application of common sense. Presence of mind வேணும். Understood or not? Here only one expense, therefore I don't want to put any T format. Expenses over. Income side என்ன வரும்? Work certified and work uncertified is called income. Cash receipt will not form part of income. Therefore how much? 17. Now got it or not? Now profit for the current year till date. How much the profit? 40. Listen here. In exam சில பிரகஸ்பதி 2 lakhs போட்டு வச்சிருந்தது. 17 போயிடுச்சுன்னு. இல்ல அந்த டென்ஷன்ல இப்ப ஈஸியா தெரியும், சிரிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். In that tension if you are not having profit, அது 17,000 read out பண்ணுவ. ஓகே 00 தான் டக்குன்னு போட்டு 2 lakhs போட்டுரும். should be very careful. Participate பண்ணு. இந்த மிஸ்டேக்லாம் என்ஜாய் பண்ணிடு, தப்பு கிடையாது. மேக்ஸிமம் நான் திட்ட போறோம் அவ்வளவுதான். பட் you can save your 6 months. Clear? Now here total 1,02,000. Clear? Now listen here. This is called notional profit. Till date profit is called notional profit, and this is called estimated total profit. What is it called? ETP method. Estimated total profit. Are you with me? Comfortable? Whenever you come across ETP, you have to apply the 4 formulas. ETP formula separator. That apply. What are all the formula with respect to ETP? First one, ETP into work certified by contract price. Second one, ETP into work certified by contract price into cash received by work certified. ETP into cost till date by estimated total cost. Cost till date by estimated total cost. ETP into cost till date by estimated total cost into cash received by very good work certified. These are all the 4 formulas you have to remember with respect to ETP. All of you please repeat what is the first formula. ETP into second one, ETP into next one, cost till date by estimated total cost. Last one, ETP into cost till date by estimated total cost into. Now we are having all answer. Am I right? ETP ETP is equal to 102,000 into work certificate is there or not? How much? Contract price, cash received. நல்லாவே தெரியும். 1,63,200. Cost till date Cost till date 1,70,000. Estimated total cost 34,000 not correct. Total cost 2,04,000. Example எல்லாம் 34,000 எழுதி வச்சான். Practice பண்ணும். Clear? 2,04,000 the estimated total cost. Now you can apply the formula and solve no. Find out 4 answers quick up and fast. Next. So first one answer allogana 66,667 rupees. Next. Second one 54,400 is the correct one. Ganga, use a good calculator. Next 85,000 360 vadagana. Check it up quick. Next. சிங்கங்களே முடிச்சிங்களா? Now we got 4 answer. Profit to be now we got 4 answer. Out of 4 answer, profit to be recognized, that's the intention. Yeah, profit to be recognized in the P&L account is whichever is lower. Based on the prudent concept, whichever is less, we have to take. Out of 4, which one is less? Rupees 54,400 has to be recognized in the P&L account. Profit to be recognized in the P&L account based on prudent concept. You know prudent concept, am I right? Good. Little fast. Pick. Okay. Next. Speciality in this problem, not finished. Stop talking. Speciality in this problem. Hello. Listen here. Profit to be recognized in the P&L account is, listen here, idle time, listen here. Profit to be recognized in the P&L account, least of the above for profit, that is okay. But as on today, how much the profit is in your hand? Available profit in your hand comes to how much? Available profit is itself 47,000. Is it possible for to recognize 54,400? So, enna pananum note it down. However, continue panning. However, available profit as on today is itself less than least of the above 4 profit. Available profit is itself, available profit as on today is itself less than the least of the above 4 profit. Therefore, profit to be recognized in the P&L account. Therefore, profit to be recognized in the P&L account is restricted to notional profit of rupees 47,000. So we have to recognize only 47,000 alone. I'll repeat once again. However, available profit as on today is itself less than the above for profit. List of the above for profit. Therefore, profit to be recognized in the P&L account is restricted to notional profit of rupees 40,000. That's the speciality. Most of the students, they forget to write this conclusion. Least of the above, prudent concept. Prudent concept valid with what? Available profit also. Above the available profit, we can't portion to adjust. Am I right? Therefore, that point is peculiar point they asked in the past exam. Understood? Now, shall we go to the next one? Suppose, second requirement. Enna pannirukkom? Particulars, till date, estimation, total. Income minus expenses is equal to profit or loss. Now, listen here. What and all they changed? Till date expenses how much? 2,26,000. Estimated further expenses? Total become 3,36,000. அவனை வீட்டுக்கு போக சொல்லு 3,66,000. இருந்து ஒன்னே ஒன்று சொன்ன ஒரு நாள். Whereas, if I am going to complete contract value comes to how much? Income. Total value of the contract 3 lakh. Till date income எவ்வளவுப்பா? திரும்ப தேடாதரா கண்ணா. All other data remain unchanged. இப்போ இது மட்டும் தான் expense alone change. Therefore, loss comes to all 9,000. ఇక్కడ 60,000. Now, we are getting loss. For a time profit we have applied. Now loss. Then what to do? Again you have to write 4 formula. Yes or no? That is with respect to rules for recognition of profit on incomplete, not loss. Whenever loss come, as per the prudent concept, which loss you have to take? 9,000 or 60,000? Worst loss you have to take. Okay? Therefore 60,000. Therefore, as per the prudent concept, loss to be recognized in the P&L account is rupees. Worst loss of rupees 60,000. Is here not? Rajaram Mohan Rai. Joy, joy, enjoy. Pick, 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 pick. Go back. All of you completed. What's that? Cholluka. Very good. What's the name, Gana? Abhishek. Please begin for Abhishek. Very good, Gana. Now, we have applied which method? Prudent method. We applied which method? ETP method. Now, in which circumstance ETP method is applicable? Above 90 but less than 100%. Substantial completion stage. But what is the degree of completion given in this question? Yes, sir, apply பண்ணுங்க. That is what Abhishek doubt. Right இல்லையா? இப்ப புரிஞ்சுட்டு clap பண்ணு பாப்போம் உனக்கு பாப்போம். Very good Abhishek. அப்ப இதெல்லாம் எக்ஸாம் ஹால்ல டவுட் வரும். Clear? In the ETP, two different circumstances you have to apply ETP. Everything I given in the book. எல்லாத்துலயும் points be ரொம்ப கொடுத்திருக்கோம் பாரு. என்னென்ன பாயிண்ட்லாம் பண்ணணும். ETP, when we have to apply ETP, one as per the rule 90 to 100 less than 100% I have to apply substantial completion stage. Another one, whenever estimated total cost is identifiable, ascertainable, computable, then irrespective of the percentage you have to go by way of ETP. Even though less than what 90%, estimated cost கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும் அப்படின்னா தூங்காத. If the estimated total cost is available in this question, computable, then you have to compute by way of ETP. Good luck. See, because of one student's doubt, all of them got the benefit. Obam. Coming November exam question, shall we do? Sure, or you can manage. Expected question, 8th question.
A contractor has entered into a long-term contract at an agreed price of rupees 1,75,000, subject to an escalation clause for materials and wages as spelled out in the contract, and corresponding actuals are as follows. Materials in standard and actuals and labor in standard and actuals are given. Remarking the full actual consumption of material and wages, the company has claimed a final price of 1,77,360. Give your analysis of admissible escalation claim and indicate the final price payable.
This question is based on escalation clause. What do you mean by escalation clause? Offer and acceptance is the agreement, no? After agreement only, I can be able to start my contract. As a contractor, agreement potage. Sign பண்ணியாச்சு. Now I am going to construct house proper. In the agreement என்ன இருக்கும்? Material cost, labor cost, all expenses, contract value, total profit, contract value. You are going to accept after the only do the construction activity. But contract may going to complete after 1 year construction period. During the period, material price may going to increase, labor cost may going to increase. Of the incremental cost, who has to bear? Contractor or contractor? Obviously, you know for that contract because you are going to be one of the property. Understood? But it should be there in the agreement. Otherwise, in the eyes of law, it's not permitted. Correct? Therefore, we have to insert the clause called escalation clause. As on today's situation, this is what the total cost. If there is a future changes, contracting has to bear that particular clause is called the escalation clause. Like in the Memorandum of Articles of Association law, object clause for money, here escalation clause. Now, what idea now? Now, based on that, we have to compute, revise the contract value. Clear? Original contract value எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்கோம்? 1,75,000. But how much they claim? 1,77,360. Is it correct or not? You have to verify based on escalation clause. Reality, everything rupees in lakhs rupees. For our better understanding, they are given this. Shall we try? Now, interesting one. First, with respect to material, what all material? A, B, C. Standard quantity. How much the standard quantity? 5,000, 3,500, 2,000. Standard price. How much? 5,800. Actual price 4.8, 7.9. Therefore, difference in price 20 paise, 10 paise, 60 paise. Escalation is equal to 5,000 into 0.20,000 rupees, 350 and 1,500. Up to the change over. Now, who is preparing escalation claim account? Contractor or contractor? Because contractor, நாமே எல்லா டாக்குமெண்ட் இருக்கும். When instrument purchase பண்ணேன், when I purchase iron and steel, I will have the bill. Therefore, as a contractor, I have charged 5 rupees for the material from you. But how much I spent? Therefore, what I have to do, balance I have to return one. Alright? So, my cash outflow, I have to return 1,000 rupees. Understood? Because நிறைய வாங்கிட்டேன். But escalation not only for increase, escalator இருக்கு, போறதுக்கு வேற இருக்கு. Many people wrongly know escalation only for incremental. Escalation for increase or decrease changes. Escalator நம்ம போச்சுக்கோ. ரொம்ப decrease ஆகும். So, if there is increase, you have to pay. If there is decrease, you have to enjoy the benefit because you are the house property owner. எனக்கு contract உள்ள profit alone is my profit. Okay? அது remark construction contract சொல்லுவீங்க, how much the profit element பார்க்கணும். இந்த கூலி மட்டும் தான் வாங்க முடியும். சரிங்களா? Now, therefore I have to what? Reduce the contract price because price குறைஞ்சிச்சு automatic contract price has to reduce. Therefore I am going to return refund 1000. Agree? Second one, B, I charged 8 rupees, but I have spent only. Therefore what to do? I have to return. C, 6 rupees I charge, price ஏறிடுது. So I have to claim from you. அப்ப net எவ்வளவு claim பண்ணணும் for material? 150 rupees I have to claim. Understood? Now, similarly, labor. One of the X, Y, Z. Standard ask 2000. 2000. Standard rate 7.5. Actual rate 7.2, 7.5, 6.6. Difference 20 paise nil 10 paise. Correct? Therefore, escalation comes to 400 nil 300. Net cash comes to 700. I have charged 7 incurred extra. You will incurred extra. Clear? Up to this stage, any doubts, sir? For material, I have to claim from you 150. Labor 700. Reality 150 lakhs, 700 lakhs. Are you with me? Now, the beauty of this, we have not considered actual quantity. Okay? We have not considered actual quantity. Actual have also actual quantity number consider quantity. Escalation class purpose, you should not consider actual quantity, actual cost. What are all the chances of committing mistake is that you have to go inside. Why is that? After completing contract, if I am going to say extra bricks செங்கல் நிறைய யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டப்பா 1 லட்சம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா செங்கலுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன், you have to pay money. You will be able to accept. If at all வந்து உடைச்சு பாரு, okay, நீங்க செக் பண்ணி பாரு. Is it possible to come and check? I can produce the bill. யாரோட ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Or I may have purchased ஒரு original bill கொடுத்துட்டு whether I have used the செங்கல் for your contract or some other contract. How can you verify? Understand? அப்ப quantity difference வராது. Escalation with respect to money. Why? Quantity difference within my control as a contractor cheap பண்ண முடியும். Whereas price difference due to what? Government policy. Like petrol price ஏற மாதிரி. Clear? Sand rate இருக்கு. Cement rate increase. It's beyond our control. யார் வேணா transparent பாத்துக்கலாம். Gold rate பார்க்காம இப்ப வேணா பாத்துக்கலாம். அந்த ரேட்டை purchase பண்ணிக்க பாருடா. Clear? Increase or decrease you can verify. Therefore trustworthiness will be there with respect to price. Quantity not possible. Increase decrease பண்ணாக்க உனக்கு தெரிய போகுது. Right? Therefore, escalation clause is only the changes between rate, standard rate to actual rate. Up which quantity you have to take? Originally, I will agree பண்ணியும். But the original rate is called expected standard rate. So, expected standard quantity on that rate. Therefore, standard quantity மட்டும் தான் apply ஆகும். Standard ask மட்டும் தான் apply ஆகும். என்ன apply ஆகாது? Actual quantity, quantitative actual apply ஆகுது. But rate difference in rate you have to take. Understood? That is what the expected questions from your answer. Okay? Comfortable? Okay? Now, shall we go to the next one? What is the next one? We have to conclude statement of computation of escalation claim or total claim instead of the total claim. Okay? How much you have to claim? Contract value 175,000. Original plus increase because of escalation claim. For material, a material 150 rupees I have to charge extra. For labor 700. Total claim supposed to be 175,850. How much they charged? 177. Is it right? Not right. They are cheating. That's what is not. Clear? Are you listening? Even if you want to do reconciliation, quantity எடுத்து போட்டுருவான். Difference in quantity, difference in rate போட்டா that answer will come. But that's not a correct one. You have to take only rate difference. Understood? Escalation claim. Concept is very easy. இல்லனா அது burden-ஆ இருக்கும். என்னமோ கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணாங்களே. Comfortable? Please try on your own. So once again, after going home. So இதெல்லாம் quick escalation claim important question for this exam. everyone. Next. Next. Integral and non-integral accounting system. This is the famous topic. No energy?
No, sir.
Sound is nice. Nice energy. Shut down or continue? Last topic, yeah. This can guarantee one question. I'm not joking. One question, 6 mark question you can expect from compensation. Shall we do today or tomorrow? Today's class enjoyed? All of you? Bye bye. Do homework and come. Without homework, you can't enter tomorrow. Okay? So tomorrow, 1:30 we are going to meet. Bye bye. Enjoy. 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 You can do